Well, some of you already know that I love Indian motorcycles. Well, guess where I am now? Yes. I can't help myself. Brand now is exploding. They've got, you want a Street Fighter style flat tracker bike, then here it is. The build quality is absolutely amazing. Yeah. Would you mind saying a few words? It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Is that all right? Can I ask you why you're sat on this bike?
I did consider buying one, but I'm really short stature,
right.
Like you said.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So what I look at these days is more seat height and weight, and the ability to move it around when you're not riding it, because I'm sure when you're riding
it's phenomenal. I haven't ridden one yet, to be honest, but I must take one out, but the reviews and reports are stunning, they really are. And the build quality, isn't it, is superb. It really is.
Commenting back in the 70s and 80s when I used to ride bikes years ago. I've got 4 bikes today.
Yeah.
You just didn't get this finish quality.
No.
You'd take them out on a day to day and they'd be rusting the day after. You'd have to kind of get all your auto charge.
Well, the build car, I've got a couple Indians.
Have you?
The wife's got one as well, and they're fantastic. You'll enjoy it. Get your checkbook out. Hey, thanks for your time. Oh, so looking good. There you go. Yeah, thanks for your time. Thank you. Well, honestly, the Indian brand now is just going to take off. I know I've been with Indian. Prior to that, I was with Victory Motorcycles, and Polaris, a company of superb. They really are. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, guess who I've got here? Yes, Andy from Indian Motorcycles. Andy, please tell us about Indian and who you are, please.
Okay, hi everybody. My name's Andy Simpson. I'm the National Sales Manager here for Indian Motorcycle. I've been with the brand probably about 5 or 6 years now, and probably the most exciting part of the journey so far, with more to come. So.
Oh, mate, well, as you know, I've already told you, my wife and I have got 3 Indians, 3 Victories. We love the Indian brand, but also you make some beautiful motorbikes. And mate, what else can we talk about? Because where are you guys going? The Indian brand. What have you got any plans in the future? Obviously, there's a club, isn't there? So what's happening with that?
It's a fascinating brand, because not only is it the age that it is, the original American motorcycle brand, formerly the biggest motorcycle manufacturer in the world.
Really?
Isle of Man TT winners, lots and lots of rich history that a lot of people don't know about.
Well, they do now.
But as a company, we're kind of 7 or 8 years into ownership with Polaris, which is a top-level American engineering company. So the product is absolutely bang on in terms of tech, quality, and of course we're all about premium as well.
Loyalty to the customers as well, because I've been a customer since 2000 with Victory Motorcycles, Polaris. I've never had an issue. The dealers have been fantastic. The bikes have always been good, but if there is ever a problem, it's never been a problem because you guys have always helped me out.
Yeah.
So I can't thank you enough for that.
That's good to hear.
Well, seriously, honestly, and thanks for that. And because it's a great brand, it's a great motorcycle, and the backup's there as well. And of course, in Europe, I travel around Europe a lot, and of course, you're all over there too, aren't you? So it's good.
Going very, very well. France, Germany, we Australia, Japan, all over the place.
Mate, it's non-stop now, and it's good. That's all I can say. Andy, thanks, mate. I don't think there's anything else we need to talk about, do we? Only just keep up the good work, I would say.
Yeah, and then just anybody that's listening in, just reach out to our dealers, get involved. There's always activities and events happening through the year.
Yeah.
We're a brand that's growing in terms of recognition, I think.
Oh, mate, honestly. Well, the build quality's there. Can I ask you a favour, Andy? Don't tell anybody, but is it possible I could come up to the factory warehouse and have a look around?
I'm sure we could do that, arrange that at some point. Yeah,
mate. Well, because I'm going to Herald, going to the Norton factory. Hang on a minute. Are there connections with Norton or not?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
That was an easy one.
I'll cut that bit out then. Okay, so that's cool, mate. Thank you ever so much, Andy.
No.
I don't think there's anything else we need to talk about. Only keep up the good work.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you, mate.
Take care.
Okay, so there you go. Indian Motorcycles. Andy is doing a fantastic job, as they all are at Polaris. So I can't wait now, you heard it. I can't wait to go up and see what goes on in the factory. Thank you. See you later.